guys! So ipapakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano ako mag-announce sa loob ng eroplano or ipaparinig ko sa inyo. Marami nagre-request nito, sinasabi na parinig naman ako na announcement mo, ganito ganyan, nahihiya ka ba? Itong video na to is actual landing namin sa Abha sa Saudi Arabia. And hindi ko na kinuhaan yung itsura ko kung paano ko mag-announce. Paparinig ko na lang sa inyo kung paano.
Saudi Arabian Airlines welcomes you to Abha. Dear guests, we have just landed at Abha Airport. Time check for convenience is now 13 minutes past the hour of 12 noon, and the outside temperature is 20 degrees centigrade. Dear guests, you are requested to keep your seatbelts fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. Please ensure that you take all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. Saudi's Captain Alliance member wishes you a pleasant stay and we look forward to see you soon on another Saudia flight. Thank you.
So ayun, hindi naman ako nahihiya pag nag-a-announce. Pero syempre nung una, dumaan ako sa kinakabahan ako. Tapos nagbabasa pa ako. Pero nung nakapisado ko na siya, hindi na. Normal na lang. Nabuo yung confidence ko kasi siguro dati nung bata pa lang ako, nagbabasa ako sa simbahan. Yes, I'm one of the lectors. Ayun, basta masaya ka lang sa ginagawa mo at practice makes perfect. So yun lang, just sharing. Bye!